Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to check if you have a bad PC V valve, and this is it right here. And this is on my 4G Eclipse. First of all, let me show you the location of where it's located. It's going to be located right here. Normally the PCV valve will be threaded in there, and then this hose goes over it. It's between your cylinder 1 and cylinder 2 ignition coils. So what I did was I grabbed some pliers and I started twisting it a little bit. Once I got enough space, I stuck this screwdriver in between there in here, and then I started pushing back slowly from the sides, and that's how I got that off. That's the first step, get that hose off. But in order to get to here, all I did was take off 4 screws. The 4 screws holding the valve cover, and you don't have to take this off right here, this connection, just leave that on, as long as you can bungee cord it or hold it with a string or something. But anyways, yeah, that's where the PCV valve is. And the reason you would be suspecting this or trying to check it is if you're having engine misfires, rough starts, maybe the check engine light. And the easy way to test this is once you take it out, and it was a 14 millimeter wrench to take it out. This goes like this. This goes on, the hose goes on here, and this goes inside of your valve cover, just like that. And it was 14 millimeters, like I said. And the way you check it is you could just you kind of just grab it like this and just give it a shake, and you can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it. You hear it? You hear the little valve moving? So that means it's working as it should. But if you want to take it a step further, guys, you can put it in here, put the hose part in here, in the hose, put it all the way till it clicks, and you're gonna crank the car, and then you're gonna put your finger right here, and you should feel a vacuum. You should feel it sucking you up, and you're also gonna hear a click. You're gonna hear a click, and that means you've got vacuum, which is what's supposed to happen when you cover this hole up. All right, guys? But let me show you that at work. Maybe you'll be able to hear the click. All right, so there it is. I got it back in the hose. Now I'm gonna go start the car. All right, guys, and like I was saying, right here, you're gonna stick your finger right here. Alright, guys, I hope you guys heard that click, but I could feel it clicking. But as for mine, those 2 tests that passed with flying colors, the little shaking thing, and then turning the car on and feeling for vacuum. So it looks like it's working as it should. But you can take it a step further by cleaning it with throttle body cleaner or brake clean. Just make sure after you do that, you let it air dry for a good 30 minutes to an hour. And reinsert it. You're gonna reinsert this part first, and then the hose you're gonna do it last. Hey guys, I forgot to mention the other test you can do is you can hold it like this with the vacuum hose side going down, and you can stick a toothpick in here, push it down, and if it when you let it go, it goes up quickly, then that means your valve is working correctly. You don't need any thread since it's high up here. I don't think it'll leak. And you're just gonna tighten it up with your socket, 14 millimeter socket, and ratchet, and that's all she wrote, guys. There's no need to torque it. All right, like, comment, subscribe.